Ray. What do you want to do tonight?
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Hi, this is Greg Kuhn. Today I'll be reading from my popular book, Why Quantum Physicists Create More Abundance. This is Chapter 3, Combining the How and the Why of the Law of Attraction. Ready for some of the Law of Attraction's finishing scientific touches? Unlike the previous chapter, there is not one single experiment or scientist referenced here. Instead, I will cull various facts we've learned about our universe during the second scientific revolution of quantum physics. Although some of what you're about to read sounds like New Age philosophy or mysticism, make no mistake. This is all real, hard, verifiable science. Just like the confidence you have in the law of gravity. You know that when you jump up, you won't keep floating up, up, up into the stratosphere. You may soon have that same confidence in the science of the law of attraction. Every material object in our universe is formed from the quantum field. The quantum field is what physicists have named the measurable quantum soup from which you and everything else in our physical world are created. The quantum field is an invisible field of energy that represents all possibilities. It is everything and nothing all at once, and it holds the potential to become anything and everything. You see, every material object in our universe is comprised of the same four basic elements: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. The only reason there are different material objects, i.e., your car is different from a candle, is that those four basic elements are combined differently and are vibrating with different energy. More about energy vibration shortly. It is important for you to understand that it is just as simple for the quantum field to create a human being as it is a pebble. To the quantum field, there is no difference. It is just as simple for the quantum field to create a $1,000 bill as it is for the quantum field to create a penny. The only difference between creating a $1,000 bill and a penny is the combination of those four basic elements and the speed at which their energy is vibrating. Here's another thing you need to know about your creation of the material world. Every material object in the universe is nothing more than vibrating energy. For example, did you know that the energy inside of you right now is the equivalent of 30 atom bombs? You and everything else in the physical world are just a glob of powerful, vibrating energy. And just as important, the vibrating energy of material objects is electromagnetic energy. That means the energy making up every material object acts as a magnet, magnetically attracting other like energy vibrations, and in turn being attracted by other like energy vibrations. Matter in our physical world is constantly on the move, flying toward other like energy vibrations as it is attracted to them. Your expectations or subconscious thoughts are electromagnetic energy. In fact, your expectations are some of the strongest energy vibrations in the universe. Imagine holding a tuning fork and walking into the humongous Louisiana Superdome, where every seat contains a tuning fork tuned to its own unique pitch. If you ring your tuning fork, every tuning fork in the Superdome tuned to a like pitch will begin to ring. That is how your thoughts operate in our universe. Any expectation you hold resonates with other like vibrating things. That is not mysticism. That is the law of electromagnetic energy. Except your expectations don't just resonate with like energy vibrations, they also magnetically attract like energy vibrations, or matter, to you. Your expectations are giant supermagnets that attract or create anything matching their energy vibration from the limitless potential of the quantum field. The quantum field can effortlessly create anything at all, and it is your expectations that are commanding the quantum field to create your physical world. That is why many quantum physicists will tell you that there are as many universes as there are observers. It is important to note here that your expectations are not the same thing as your top-of-mind wishes and desires. Your true expectations exist on a subconscious level and arise automatically from your beliefs. This means that changing your expectations involves more than merely practicing positive affirmations or positive thinking. Your beliefs, upon close examination, may not actually be aligned with your desires. For example, you may desire more wealth, but hold deeply ingrained beliefs such as money is the root of all evil, or it is greedy to want more money, or people with lots of money are morally suspect and probably do bad things to get it. And those beliefs, or others like them, will always, without fail, subconsciously create expectations that will trump your conscious desires for more money. In other words, no matter how often you play the lottery, if you have beliefs similar to the ones you just read, your subconscious expectations will command the quantum field to deliver a material reality that matches those beliefs. A law of attraction devotee, therefore, must make certain that she is changing her beliefs to match her desires. This, we now know, is the only certain way to influence the quantum field and intentionally create a more pleasing material reality. The good news is that your beliefs are subjective and can be replaced. The beliefs you currently hold were given to you by trusted sources. Most of your beliefs undoubtedly serve you very well, but in areas where your material reality is not aligned with your desires, your first priority must be to choose new, better-feeling beliefs that are aligned with your absent dreams and desires. When you begin to do this, your expectations will naturally and automatically change as well, which will send new commands to the quantum field. To learn more, look Greg Kuhn up on Amazon.com and browse through the many books that I have there. You're also very welcome to stop by my website, www.whyquantumphysicists.com. You'll find a wealth of resources there as well as on Amazon.